have the save in either way. We also got this, okay? Gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na yung mga nagsisave ng pera dyan, guys, mag-ingat kayo sa mga taong deceitful kasi baka nakawin nila yung iyong savings. So, make sure that your savings is in a good place as of this time. So, we have this one here. Kasi baka mabigla na lang kayo na nawala na yung iyong pinag-ipunan. Ngayon, gusto sabihin ng Panginoon na may mangyayari na bibigyan kanya ng grasya, but yet on your end, you really have to protect your money. Okay, kasi may tao na deceitful or pwede scammer na dumatay sa inyong buhay at magoyo ka ng taong yan, kaya mag-ingat kayo. So, you have to touch here in either way. Tsaka huwag nyo ipapahawak yung pera nyo kahit kanino. So, you also have the like in reverse. We also have the home in reverse. So, iba sa inyo guys, God wants you to be careful even sa inyong kapamilya kasi baka mismo yung kapamilya mo, siya yung mismo na gagawa ng ganito na nanakawin niya yung iyong kayamanan. So, be careful. So, we have this one in reverse. And we also got just you and me in either way. So, with regards naman sa relationship, meron mga nangyayari na di maganda pag yung connection mo lalo na ay karmic, okay? Baka magkakaroon ng third-party situation if you're not listening to the divine. So, you have the kind here. Naging in either way siya. And you also have the karmic in reverse. So, gusto mong ipalam sa ng Panginoon na yung mga tao na masama sa inyong buhay, God is exposing them, their true colors, kasi nagpapanggap sila mabuti. But at behind the scenes, baka may ginagawang kalokohan, sa kanila baka nagnanakaw na, or bine-brainwash ka, or ni-scam ka. So, you really have to be careful during this time na parating yung biyaya sa inyo. And make sure to invest on the right things at saka ilagay mo yung savings sa talagang safe na location. Okay? So anyway, that's it guys with your reading. I just hope this may give you some insight about your situation and God bless all of you.